In this video, we will learn how to check data in web page preview in Excel sheet. So let's start this Excel sheet. Here I have some sales data, and this data I am going to see in web page preview. So let's start. So go to the text zone and click on the web page preview, and here you see your data in your browser. Okay, now you can check your data in your browser, and you can share this link to any other person to see data in the browser. So I just close this and I show you how it's done. Okay, so I create here the new tab. Okay, and I also add here the new command. This command not in your Excel existing added, you have to add this command. So I show you. Just click on the file tab, then click on the move, then click on the options, and here the click on the customize ribbon. In popular commands, you can see just click on this drop down arrow, and here select commands not in the ribbon. Okay, then select any command and press the W to search the web page preview. Here the web page preview is found. Okay, now this command I added in any tab. So here I create the new tab. Just click on the new tab. You can add the new tab name also. I just click on the new tab and click on the rename. Okay, so I just add here the ABC. Okay, then click on the OK. Now I select the new tab group, then click on the add. This web page preview command is added in ABC, then click on OK. Now you can see tab also created new and command also added. Now you can use easily. Just click on the web page preview and you see the full data of your Excel in web page preview. You can share this link any other person, and you can use apply you can read this data in web page preview. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.